How to export freeform boards as a PDF on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export a freeform board as a PDF on your Mac. First, open the Freeform app and open the board you want to export. Next, click File in the menu bar and select Export as PDF. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF, rename the file if needed, and click Save. Your entire freeform board will be exported as a PDF document that you can easily share, print, or archive. Exporting as a PDF is a great way to preserve your board's layout and content without requiring the Freeform app. Once the export is complete, open the saved PDF to make sure everything appears as expected. And that's how to export freeform boards as a PDF on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.